All right, the time has come. The day is finally here that I'm putting tomatoes in the ground for 2022. I am starting on this side garden here by the shed. I'm putting in some Polish paste tomatoes. This is my first year growing these tomatoes. They're very rude. And these starts that I grew from seed, they are having the most trouble with sun scald because here where I live, I get from the first crack of dawn sunlight all the way to the time it goes down over the mountain. So I get well over sometimes 12 hours of sun. So these are going to go here in this bed because it only gets till noonday sun, and they get morning sun till noonday, and then it's shaded the rest of the time. So I'm hoping that they will pair nicely in here with the strawberries and the garlic as they did last year. So let's get planting. So this right here, all those little white spots, that is sun scald. Okay, this comes from having your plants in the house and then you put them out in the sunlight with no protection, and they do not get properly hardened off. I have been putting these out for at least a week or two. Some people say it only takes 3 days, but with all the sunlight I get here, I still have problems with sun scald. But the point is, it's not very much, and this guy should like it here in the shade a little bit. So we'll get the rest of these tomato plants in.